This is one of the easiest naming of compound that you ever see online. I promise you, and I won't waste your time. If I do, message me and I'm going to give you something. Now, look at this question. Imagine you're given a question like this. Now, you name this compound. Now, the first thing you want to understand is that what family does this particular organic compound belong to? You know that if they have single bond, they belong to the alkane. If they have double bond, they belong to the alkene. And if they have triple bond, they belong to the what? Alkyne. And without doubt, you can see that there's particular double bond lying in one of the, in between one of the carbons here. Now, that means we are talking about the alkenes, right? That's the first thing. Now, the rule is simple. What is the longest continuous carbon chain? Longest continuous carbon chain, LCCC. So now, what is the longest? I can go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. That is long. Because some of you will miss it. You will not know that this is also part. It is a continuous chain, right? It is continuous and it is long. So I can also go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, those two ways are valid, but one is the correct answer. And that's what I want to teach you. Now, based on this first order, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the first thing is that once there is 4 carbon, you already know. Once there is 4 carbon, it must start with what? But. And because it has double bond, it must be a in. Those are the two things. But the position of where that double bond is quite very, very important. If you don't know that, you are going to miss this question. So what is the position? Now, the position will now come to where we will know the order. Now, based on this first order, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means this 1, 2, 3, 4. Note that this one belongs to this. This 2 belongs to this. Right? So based on that, now you can tell me that the double bond here is on position 2. Now, if I also count from here, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means the double bond here, this one belongs to this one. This 2 belongs to this guy. This 3 belongs to this. This 4 belongs to this. So from here now, it's also on position 2. So you are safe. So you can pick any of them because they are both 2 and 2. But there are some cases that the first one will be lesser than the second order. Like counting from this side will be lesser than counting from there. So the rule is that you choose the least possible number. That's one thing you have to know. So you are safe. So the answer to this question is what? But. Then where is the double bond of the in? But 2 in. Okay. So that's the answer to this compound. So let me give you your own so that you will name it for me and you drop the answer in the comment section. If you don't do it, I will not give you a question to solve. So yeah, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want you to name this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah. You know why I'm doing that? Because carbon must be bounded to only 4. It must not pass 4. 1, 2, 3. So don't forget, of course, you know that what I mean here is that they are what? Hydrogen. Hydrogen, okay? So drop the answer to this question in the comment section and I will see you. But in case you want to register for our JAMB classes, that's the number to the my WhatsApp. You can message me on WhatsApp or you can send a DM to me here on TikTok and I'm going to reply you. You know how we do it now. Okay? Not too much talk. Bye.